Hey and welcome to this new video of learning Java. So in this video we will learn how to compare between two variables, and to do that we need we will just use those three variables. So I will type this system in here and let's type it, for example, in here. You can just delete this delete this code if you want. We don't need it anymore. So in here let's add a new variable, boolean, and let's name it compare. So now in Java, as you know, I think for also the other programming language, we have, I think, 4 to 6 comparison type. We have greater than, less than, equal, and greater or equal than, also less or equal than, and not equal. So now if I want, for example, to compare between those two or those three variables, I need to use one of those comparison tools, I would say. So here let's start testing. For example, here in this comparison, let's give it, for example, x, or x less greater than y, and here let's type compare. So now if x is less than y, which is here in the case, it's true, that mean here compare it's true. Since it's Boolean, that mean just true variable, even it's true or false. And since this one is true, see here we have true as an output. If now I flip this to greater than, we will have false. So I will just stop the running and restart it again, or run it again, and now it give us false because x it's not greater than y. Also, if we type here the equal, so keep in mind that for to initialize a new variable, we add just one equal sign, and to see if, for example, two variables are having the same number, or checking if they are the same, we put here with two equal mark. So for example, I will add also on make this 10. So now the both have the same variable. So now if I test, the output of the compare will show me true. And the same also for here, it's not like. So in this case we have x it's equal to you, the both have 10, so that means it's false in here because x is equal to 2. See here, false. And here we can also have multiple of condition. We can use the and basically it's this two ands. For example, here to see if x it's not equal to y, and for example z is greater than y. So now if we type this or we run this, we will see here the output, it's false. So how we do that? So let's see here, it's true. So x it's equal to y, the both have 10, but z it's greater, here it's false because we type here it's not equal. So here it's false, and here z it's greater than u, it's true. So we have false and true. And for the end table, if we have false and true, we will go for the false. If we have just one false in here, we will go for false. The different thing for the end of or table. So if this is the or, choose straight line, and now if I run again, so we said here we have true, and here we have false, and here we have true. So false or true, he will go with true. See here, true. And also we have another comparison type, it's called do not, and basically it's like this. So basically whatever we have in here, he put like the opposite of it. So here we have false, so we have here true, so it will be true. And here it's also true, that's mean as output we will have our true. So let's make it now with the add, so that you can see when we have true and true, we have as output true also. And I just want to show you for the string. So for example here string x, let's type it here hello, and here also string, let's type for example hi. So see here we have like all those error in here, so I will just delete that, so I stop like seeing the error. So in here he told me that he can't convert like, or he can operate between type with like this greater and less than. So basically what we do for the string is, for example, x equal y. For example, if the both are correct, we see here that we have no error, or if it's not like. So for the string, for the moment, we like there is another method or another way to compare between string, but for the moment just keep in mind that in string we're using just like equal or not equal. So, and here also if I type hello but with a capital O, for example, and now if I hit run, we will see that it will show me true. Here we type like it's x, it's not equal to you, and here we say that the boat it's hello hello, so that means we need to have true. The boat, no, we need to have false into comparison because the both are correct. But since here we have like this capital O, just like lower O, and here it's capital O, doesn't mean the both are not correct, because capital do matter in comparison. So I think this is all for this video. In the next video we will learn all about if else and else if statement. So see you next.